This high-protein bread is not just healthy, it is seriously packed with protein. Just one slice of this bread has more protein than a whole large egg. Let me show you how I made this healthy bread and the mix of ingredients that totally surprised me by turning into a super soft and delicious loaf. To make this high-protein bread, start by blending 200 grams or about 1.5 cups of sunflower seeds until they resemble a coarse meal. The texture should be slightly grainy but still smooth enough to mix into the bread dough. Then pour them into a large mixing bowl. Next, add 50 grams or about 1/4 cup of sesame seeds to a blender or food processor and blend until they also turn into a coarse meal. Then add the blended sesame seed to the sunflower seed in the mixing bowl and give them a good mix until they are well combined. Then leave it aside for a moment. Next, take another mixing bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Whisk them with an electric mixer until the yolks and whites are fully combined and have a light frothy consistency. Then add about 4 tablespoons of cream to the eggs. Either light or heavy cream works well. Then add about 5 tablespoons of melted butter to the mix. Just make sure it is not hot. Next, add 7 tablespoons of cottage cheese to the mix. Blend everything with an electric mixer until it is well combined. Then add half a teaspoon of salt to the mixture. Then pour in the blended sunflower and sesame seeds. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and mix everything thoroughly until it turns into a smooth and uniform batter. Now, take a standard loaf pan that is lightly greased with oil or butter. Scoop the bread batter into the pan. Make sure it fills the corners. Use a spatula to spread the batter evenly across the top, smoothing out any bumps. Bake this protein bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Bake until the top of the bread is golden brown and warm and inviting. Nutty and buttery aroma is filling the kitchen. Also, you can check if the toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. After the bread has cooled a bit, carefully turn it onto a cutting board and slice it. You can serve it with butter or any topping you like. If you like this soft, healthy, high-protein bread recipe, then check out also this ultimate low-carb 2-ingredient flaxseed bread recipe here. Check it out now!